Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But don't forget to check out my website, FXPipCollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So, anyways, on the pound dollar, definitely a very weak move to the pound dollar over the month of October. I mean, to me, it does look more like it is probably going to go down and either make a running ABC correction, which would be a higher high, and then turn back up, or possibly an expanding ABC correction, which would likely go down and make a lower high before expanding back up. Either way, it doesn't really matter too much. And to be honest with you, I'm definitely still not ruling out the possibility that this move down was just a bear trap and it might just keep on going up like that. I still think this is probably the least likely scenario, but definitely a scenario that we need to keep in mind. Going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I do see that we have a breaker structure on the weekly. We can definitely see that this move up right here is over, and it totally, to me, just like the euro dollar, looks like a double three pattern. 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. Normally, that should lead to either 1, 2, 3 waves down for a WXY, or probably more likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for like a more traditional ABC flat type pattern. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the pound dollar has not broken structure to the upside yet. A lot of the other dollar pairs have broken structure, proving that this whole move down is complete. So because of correlated pairs, I do think there's a very good chance that in the next week or so, this will go up, it will break structure, and then we most likely will see a correction to this move down like this. Once we get a break of structure, I'm definitely going to start looking for longs. I'm going to expect that it's going to go up and make a B or a 2, which is a correction to the move down, but just in case it just keeps on going, we will be looking for longs, and if it does keep on going, which I think is probably least likely, then at least we'll be looking for longs in an uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, this one definitely has a broken structure, and we really can't rule out the possibility that it does keep on going down until you actually get that break of structure. You have to realize that if you are going long, then you're definitely trading against the trend. And sometimes when you trade against the trend will step in and bite you. So anyways, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. To me, this move down right here definitely looks very corrective. I bet that this move down is probably just a correction to this last wave up. I think there is a pretty good chance that over the next week or so, it is going to probably make its way up. It is probably going to give us the break of structure we've been waiting for, which I think will prove on the much higher time frames that the big wave A or possibly big wave 1 is complete. But like I said, the trend is down until we get a break of this structure right here. So keep an eye on these last couple Fibonacci levels. If price does go to a Fibonacci level, make a nice engulfing move to the downside, then you probably should go short because the trend is technically still down, even though I do think that it probably is more likely that it will make its way up and give us the break of structure. We do always need to keep all possibilities in mind. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.